Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use smart charging on Vivo Y29 to protect battery. If you're using Vivo Y29 and now you want to use smart charging on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for battery, tap on it, and here just look for battery health and charging. Select it, and here you'll get the optimized battery charging. Just tap on it, and here you'll get two different settings, which is charging output limit. You can limit your battery charging, and here's the second one, which is optimized based on habits. It is the smart battery charging in your phone, and this is the battery charging limit. You can easily limit your battery up to 90 to 70 to 100%, which you want. But if you want to use 100%, I recommend you have to enable the setting, which is optimized based on habit. It's a smart charging in your device. So that's how you can easily use smart charging on Vivo Y29 to protect battery. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.